Never risk damaging your floors with dripping wet clothes due to lack of space or hanging availability. The Extend-A-Line clothes dryer mounts on your RV ladder and includes a wall mount bracket for home use or on RVs without ladders. 6 independent arms offer 18 feet of line space to dry various types of materials, including towels, clothes on hangers, and swimsuits. Each truss design arm is 42 inches in length, supports 10 pounds, holds a maximum load of 60 pounds when garments are evenly spaced, and folds to the side for easy storage. Featuring chrome-plated wire arms and a unique glass-filled nylon base, the Extend-A-Line clothes dryer offers functionality while maintaining a stylish appearance. Both the wire arms and base resist rust, which is ideal for travelers spending time in the great outdoors. For best product and safety results, please remove the Extend-A-Line clothes dryer from your RV ladder before you travel. Purchase your Extend-A-Line clothes dryer today at campingworld.com or your nearest Camping World Supercenter.